How to fix CarPlay won't turn on. So first of all, verify compatibility. Car compatibility. Check your car's manual or consult the manufacturer to verify it supports CarPlay. iPhone compatibility. Ensure your iPhone is an iPhone 5 or newer, running iOS 7.1 or later. Go to Settings, General, verify the iPhone model and OS version. Check connection type. Wired. Use an Apple certified Lightning cable to connect your iPhone to the car. Test different cables or USB ports to ensure proper data transfer. Wireless. Enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on your iPhone. Restart devices. iPhone. Press and hold the power button until the slider appears. Slide to power off, wait for a few seconds, then turn it back on. Car's infotainment system. Turn off the car completely. Wait a moment, restart the system. Some vehicles may have preset option in settings. Check your manual. Update software. Go to Settings, General, Software Update, and install any available updates. Car's infotainment system. Refer to your car's manual or contact dealership for system updates to ensure compatibility with the latest iOS version. Enable Siri. Go to Settings, Siri and search. Enable, listen for Hey Siri. Press side button for Siri. Allow Siri when locked. Check restrictions. Go to Settings, Screen Time, Content Privacy Restrictions. Allowed apps. Ensure CarPlay is allowed. Disable restrictions temporarily to test functionality. Reset network settings. Go to Settings, General, Reset network settings. This erases saved Wi-Fi passwords, so you will need to reconnect the Wi-Fi networks afterwards. Forget and reconnect CarPlay. Go to Settings, General, CarPlay. Select your car and tap Forget this car. Then set up CarPlay again as it were the first time, following the setup instructions in your car's infotainment system and on your phone. Consult Vehicle's Manual. Refer to Vehicle's Manual for instruction on Enable CarPlay in the infotainment system. Some vehicles may require additional settings for CarPlay to work properly. Contact support. Apple support. Visit Apple support for troubleshooting help related to iPhone or CarPlay. Vehicle manufacturer support. Contact your local dealership or car's manufacturer customer service for assistance with CarPlay or compatibility issues. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.